There, today I'll show you how to delete blank rows between data in Excel step by step. I'll be doing this on Windows, but it works the same way on Mac and Excel for the web. If your spreadsheet is important, save a copy before you start. Now, click and drag to select the entire data range that has the blank rows you want to remove. Your selection should extend all the way to the bottom right of your data, including all the columns and rows you're working with. Select only the range you want to clean to avoid accidentally affecting data outside the visible list. Once you've got everything selected, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This opens the Go To dialog box right in the center of your screen. You can also press F5 if you prefer that shortcut. In that Go To dialog, click the button that says Special. You'll see a new window pop up with a bunch of radio button options. In this Go To Special window, click the radio button next to blanks, then click OK. Excel will now select all the blank cells in your selected range. You'll see them all highlighted at once. Don't click anything else yet. You need to keep that selection active. Now head up to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Cells group, you'll see a Delete button with a little drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down, and from the menu that appears, choose Delete Sheet Rows. As soon as you do that, Excel removes all those empty rows and shifts your data up to fill the gaps. All your blank rows should now be gone. Quick note on that last step. Delete Sheet Rows removes the entire row across the whole spreadsheet. If you have data off to the right that you want to keep, use Delete Cells with Shift Cells Up instead. If you accidentally delete something you didn't mean to, just press Ctrl+Z to undo it. Scroll through and verify that only the blank rows disappeared and none of your actual data went missing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.